Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I quickly install and style my Kaylee Cruz Luxury Virgin Hair 18-inch Afro Kinky Curly Clip-ins. So off camera, I wash and condition my hair using the Argan Oil shampoo and conditioner. I then blow dried my hair using the Luscious Hair Serum as my heat protectant. Next, I installed and sewed down 10 medium-sized braids. As you can see, these braids are frizzy, but it's because they've been in my hair for over a week. To prep the clip-ins, I wash and condition them and allow them to dry overnight. After the hair dried, I applied a small amount of the Luscious Hair Serum. Next, I lightly flat ironed the hair. I did 2 passes on a low heat setting, which gave it a soft, wavy look. Next, I installed 2 bundles of the clip-ins. There were 14 pieces altogether. After the installation was complete, I removed the 2 perimeter braids so I could blend the clip-ins with my hair to give it a natural look. I wanted to keep my hair out of my face, so lastly, I installed 2 flat twists and pinned my hair back. I've been wearing these clip-ins for about a week, and so far the shedding has been very minimal. I've also washed the hair and the curls reverted back instantly. I'll put a direct link to the Kaylee Cruz Luxury Hair Care website in the description box. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.